Well, this one made me laugh because it's kind of true. This is from the Register. This gentleman loves his Chromebook. Reason number one, it's a Linux desktop. He says the fact that I like the Linux desktop will come as no surprise simply because Chrome OS is a Linux distro, always has been, always will be. Now this will annoy the heck out of some Linux fans. Really? Their vision of the Linux desktop future has everyone running Ubuntu, no Fedora, or Arch Linux. He says, please. Linux Mint for the win, or MX Linux, get real. Is he from New York? Use just some morning humor. Use OpenSUSE, Tumbleweed, and on and on. There are over 1,000 Linux distros. Really? I thought it was like 600, but hey, maybe it's true. Which is a big reason we will never see their dream of the Linux desktop wiping out Windows. Well, I don't know about never, but he may be right. Chromebooks are a different story, he says. Sure, Chromebook sales have crashed, but part of the reason is that Chromebooks last pretty much forever. Unlike Windows machines, which have a lifespan of about 3 years, I still have Chromebooks running that are 7 years old. Well, and I thought I loved my Chromebooks. What can I say? If you're looking for the ultimate in Linux for Windows users, and you don't want to install anything, yeah, try a Chromebook. Why not?